So our customers came to us needing a solution for the QEM Fluid End. They were experiencing short service life. Based on that input, we developed our QSS Fluid End. The primary problems associated with the QEM Fluid End as a direct replacement with superior cross-bore geometry for long fatigue life. It's got our Falcon technology for ease of serviceability, bolt-on stuffing boxes so you can change that packing bore in case of a washout, and then enhanced valve cover retainers that resist loosening and improve the valve cover retainer thread performance. So the QSS utilizes GD patented Falcon technology. What that is a spring retainer that is fast and intuitive to install. We know that maintenance time between stages is shorter than ever, and that Falcon technology is as relevant as it ever has been. The QSS has a removable bolt-on stuffing box. So bolt-on connection there is a field-proven connection that we've developed over years of solving real-world problems in the field. We use some patent-pending technology to ensure that the bolted joint is designed to live the life of the fluid end. One great thing about the QSS is that we've platformed it off of the GD5000 fluid end forging. That gives us the ability to improve lead time and availability, as well as streamlines our manufacturing operations to provide best cost possible. So in a day-to-day sense, these design improvements are just going to result in smoother operations. So less intervention needed when you're out there pumping, and longer service life. Fewer fluid end swings, safer for everybody, less intervention around the retainer nuts as well. The most common thing I hear from our QSS customers is that they have no problems, and that's exactly what we want to hear.